Baby, I can name really outside. Tany B is lit. Tany B get the bag. Tany B is lit. Tany B get the bag. And you press that subscribe button if you bad. Go hit that subscribe button if you bad.
Okay guys, today is the day that I try some African food. So I'm gonna let y'all know how it is. I'm getting the chicken jollof and rice. Chloe's gonna try some too. So I went on Google and I searched all the locations to see which one had the best reviews. And today I popped up at Fly Chef Restaurant and Lounge, and also it says bakery. So yeah, let's get into it.
But still not good artist. Yeah, on the bed you give me the baby girl. You make all my brand come, they sell the baby girl. Nah, we no plan.
Hey guys, so we made it inside of the restaurant. We're waiting for our food. We ended up ordering the jollof rice and the seafood okra with pounded yam. But we also ordered puff puff for appetizer. Officially about to try African food.
That's it, but see me at the trend, yes, Gucci at the girl for my backyard.
Hey guys, so unfortunately we did have to bring our meal home because it took way too long for it to come out. So yeah, here is the food we ordered. Now let's get into it. All right guys, so we got the jollof chicken and rice with plantain. I'm gonna give it a try. We ended up taking it to go because, yeah, service was just way too long. Okay. Let's try the chicken. It is a little spicy. Let's see about this chicken. Pretty tender. Chicken with the rice is really good. Looks like chicken and rice is pretty good anyway. So yeah, I'm really actually enjoying this chicken. It's actually really good. And I don't know if they like marinated in something, but it's super tender. And with the rice, it most certainly complements it. I got the fufu, y'all. We're about to try fufu for the first time. Now, based on videos that I seen, they said when you eat it, you're supposed to just swallow it. And I got the okra vegetable soup. It's very slimy, but kind of looks like this. But yeah, let's try it. I low-key like okra, like I actually love okra. So let's open this and let's see how we do this. All right, so you wanna try something? Yes. Okay, stop doing that, please, thanks. All right, here's some for you, it's a little piece. Eat? All right, so I don't know how people eat this. And for real, I have nails, so I don't know how disgusting it's gonna be. My nails are super clean, so should I watch a video on how to do this first? Because let's see. I think you're supposed to like get a piece of it like this. And then this feels so weird to me. Do I eat with my hands? Yes, but this is like sticky. Okay, so here we go. I guess I'm gonna get a piece of shrimp in it. Actually, I'm not gonna get the shrimp. I'm just gonna get some of it. Okay, hold on. Cause it's like, are you supposed to just let the slime drip on your shirt, or do you need to like roll it around for a little bit?
Bruh.
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna try this again. What I'm gonna do first is try the vegetable seafood okra soup by itself. Okra soup has a little spice. I do like that it has seafood in it, because I couldn't imagine anything else being in it. But it is spicy. Pretty good. Now, let's try the fufu. I don't know if this one was the pounded yam, but you try this. Y'all tell me if I'm doing this right. You just pick it up with your hand. But I have seen people who dip their hand in water, probably so it doesn't stick to your hand. But I'm gonna try this one now. Let's see. See if I get something good in there. But let's get back to this chicken and jollof rice. I think this is my favorite. With the plantain. Hey guys, so I finished my food. It was really good. This restaurant that we ate it from, I'm gonna, actually no comment. I'm not gonna give them a review actually. But the actual Nigerian meal, I give it a 5 out of 5. And the puff that we had, that was really good to me. I will most certainly be back for that. But I do want to try another restaurant to see who makes the food better, okay? So stay tuned for that. Other than that, I'll give this meal a total 5 out of 5. So guys, I really wasn't a big fan of the fufu. I mean, it was pretty good with the soup, but at the same time, I feel like it's just super starchy. And I would probably gain like 5 pounds trying to eat this. And I don't think it will be that easy to digest. The soup is really good, but yeah, I don't really know what this is, and it's super heavy, so digestion probably be very bad. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.
She a baddie, she know that she precious. Her glowing, I'ma say it's impressive. Get to a bed however she wants. You can do what you want if you want. She a baddie, she know she gon' run it up. Send me the 80, you already know I'm gon' slide. I be a soldier in the field for you. They be acting, they ain't really outside. Tany B in this lit. Tany B get the bag. Tany B in this lit. Tany B get the bag.